Unit 6, Lesson 4, page 52. Listen and repeat. And then in the next video, we'll listen and sing. Every day I wash my hands, wash my hands, wash my hands. Every day I wash my face, wash my face, wash my face. Every day I brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth. Every day I brush my hair, brush my hair, brush my hair. Then I'm clean and tidy, and we can go out to play. So one more time. Opakować. Every day I wash my hands. Then I'm clean and tidy. Every day I wash my face. Then I'm clean and tidy. Every day I brush my teeth. Then I'm clean and tidy. Every day I brush my hair. Then I'm clean and tidy. Okay, and then we go out to play. Join me in the next video for the song We Can Sing.